morning, class 10, AC vectors for 10 marks. For 10 marks. I'll continue. Question number 5 is sum. For 1 mark, question number 5a, state the triangle law of vector, not addition now, subtraction. Addition and subtraction. State the triangle of vector addition and subtraction. Solution. Draw a triangle. And first of all, addition. Addition is this. Vector AB plus BC is equal to vector AC. One example is given. AB plus BC is AC. The sum of two sides of a triangle denote two vectors. Their resultant is represented by the third side taken in the reverse order. Therefore, vector subtraction AB is found by AC minus BC. AB, AC minus BC, and BC from this equation AC minus AB. This is the vector law of subtraction. Another question number 5a, which I have written from this equation is PQR ST. Study the diagram, midpoint. If S is the midpoint of PQ, T is the midpoint of R, what is the relation? What is the relation between ST and QR? The answer is ST is equal to half of QR, and by the relation ST is parallel to QR. This is the relation. You don't need to write down the long sentences. The midpoint of the two sides of a triangle, the line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is half of the third side and parallel to it. This is the relation between ST and QR. And another question, 5a, what should be the value of theta to get the maximum and minimum value of vector A dot vector B? What should be the value of theta to get the maximum value of A dot B and minimum value of A dot B? The solution is this. Directly I write down the solution here. For cos theta, the maximum value is 1. The minimum value is -1, not 0. -1 and -1 minimum value plus 1 maximum value. So, what should be the value of theta? Theta equals 0 degree for maximum value of A dot B, and the maximum value is 1. Maximum value then is 1. Maximum value is 1. Theta should be 180 degree for minimum value, that is -1 of A dot B. Means when A dot B equals 0. If A dot B is 0, theta is also 0. and the maximum value is 1. When theta equal 180 degree, the minimum value is -1. This one 0, -1, +1 from the line. Question number 10a. If I write the question, twice vector p plus 4 vector q and 10 vector p minus 8 vector q are orthogonal. They are orthogonal. Orthogonal means perpendicular, and modulus p equal modulus q equal 1. Find the angle between vector p and vector q. Solution. The solution is this. Question is this. Twice p plus 4q and 10p minus 8q are perpendicular or orthogonal to each other, and p and q are unit vectors. Find the angle between vector p and vector q. What is given? The given condition is this. Vector p modulus of vector p 1, modulus of vector q is also 1, and twice p plus 4 vector q, use a bracket, dot 10p minus 8 vector q equal 0, as they are perpendicular or orthogonal to each other. By multiplying this into this, 2 into 10, 20 vector p whole square, this into this, minus 2 into 8, 16 p dot q, plus this into this, 40 p dot q. Q dot p is equal to p dot q. This into this, minus 32 vector q whole square equal 0. Or this one is 20. You can use directly. It is not necessary. P square. When it is square, it becomes 1. Because it means vector p whole square and 1 square. Directly I have written minus this one plus 24. 40 minus 16, 24. P dot q minus 32 into 1 square equals 0. Now simplify. 20 plus 24 p dot q minus 32 equal 0, or 24 p dot q, by transposing it becomes minus 12 plus 12, or p dot q equal 12 upon 24, that is 1 by 2. First of all, multiply. These vectors are perpendicular to each other. Their dot product is 0. Multiply like algebra. This into this and this. This is S line multiply गरेर यो स्क्वायर भएको ठाउँमा 1 लेख्ने, p dot q भएको ठाउँमा 10 लेख्ने. 24 pq equal 12 or p dot q equal half लेख्ने. Now, what is the value? What is the angle? The angle is given. The angle theta is given by the rule cos theta equal p vector p dot vector q upon modulus p modulus q. Now, what is the value of P dot Q? This is 1 by 2 upon, this is already given 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is cos 60 degree. Therefore, theta equal 60 degree answer. In this way you can proceed. Another, another 10b is the question. 10b, P 2 3 Q 4 5 R 7 2 2 3 4 5 7 2. See, in triangle solution, in triangle PQR, the vertices are P 2 3, P vertices 2 3, Q 4 5 and R 7 2. Find the angle theta between vector PQ and vector QR. What does it mean? Vector PQ र QR को बीचको एंगल बनाने, यो एंगल थीटा निकाल्ने. That is angle PQR. What? The solution of this triangle is as follows. This is the question. You just write down the figure 2 3 Q 4 5 R 7 2. Directly, because it is a short question, using the vector law, you can directly write PQ vector. PQ x1 y1 x2 y2, formula x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1, or you can write in a column vector x2 minus x1 4 minus 2 comma 5 minus 3, that is 2 2. Say x1 y1. PQ QR. QR is similarly 7 minus 4 2 minus 5, that is 3 minus 3. Now PQ and QR dot product. Now PQ dot QR equal how much? PQ is in 2 2 dot 3 minus 3. How to multiply? X1 x2 plus y1 y2, x component, this into this plus this into this. 2 into 3 plus 2 into minus 3. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 0. If the dot product is 0, they are perpendicular. Dot product is 0. So PQ is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, angle PQR equal 90 degree answer. See, PQR, in triangle PQR, PQR are given. Find the vector PQ. X2 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3. Find the vector QR 7 minus 4, 2 minus 5. And 2 2 and 3 minus 3. Take the dot product of PQ and QR. PQ is 2 2, QR 3 minus 3, x1 x2 plus y1 y2. 2 into 3 plus 2 into minus 3, 6 minus 6, 0. Here it is not necessary to write down cos theta equal A dot B upon vector A dot vector B. 0 upon something is 0. Cos 90 is 0. But cos 90 degree is 0. Therefore, the angle between them should be 90 degree. Actual figure is should be यसको figure यस्तो खालको बन्छ. This angle is 90 degree. Remember. Taking the dot product 0, angle 90 degree. In the same way, I have written another question for same question number 10b, because I have to finish it. It's vector except vector geometry. I would like to draw the diagram. You can name any. I have written A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, A, C. Given condition, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. BC, vector BC equal given 4I minus twice J. Vector AC is also given 6I plus 5J. Find vector DC. Find vector DC. Now, what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. Means opposite sides are equal and parallel. BC, vector BC is given 4I minus 2J. AC is given. Diagonal AC is 6I plus 5J. Find DC. Solution. How to find? See. This is the question. You don't need to write down the question. From solution, you have to write down A, B, C, D, AC is given. Write down the given condition. BC equal 4I minus twice J. AC equal 6I plus 5J. DC equal what? From this. यहाँ पछि यसमा लेख्ने proceed गर्नु जाने. Proceed. What is DC? We know vector DC equal AB, being opposite sides of the parallelogram. DC equal AB, but DC is not BA. DC equal AB, CD equal BA, AD equal BC, and BA equal CD. Opposite sides are equal in order and direction. What is AB? Or the AB भनेको AC plus CB. AC plus CB, triangle law of vector addition in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AC equal AB plus BC. But AB equal AC plus CB. Your triangle ABC. AB भनेको AB भनेको के हुन्छ? AB AC plus CB. AC plus CB भनेको AB. Triangle of vector addition. AC, value of AC given 6I plus 5J plus BC is plus CB. Plus CB is minus BC. Equal and opposite. 6I vector plus 5J vector minus BC value 4I minus twice J. Plus CB is minus BC. 6I plus 5J minus to minus BC value. Put the BC value. Now 6I vector plus 5J vector minus plus minus 4I plus twice J vector. Simplifying 6I minus 4I twice I. This one is plus 7J vector. See, ABCD is a parallelogram. BC given, BC equals AD, value same. AC is also given, find DC. DC equal AB, opposite sides, AB equal AC plus CB. AC value put, CB plus CB is minus BC, equal and opposite, minus is minus, put the value of BC. Here, this, if you remove this bracket, it becomes wrong. You must use this bracket. You bracket राख्नुपर्छ. Bracket open, minus plus minus 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 plus, simplify it, you get the result. Can be answer. Question number 24. The diagonals are the whose diagonals you have to clarify it. Question number 24. Prove vectorially that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. The diagonals of a rectangle are equal. You have to prove vectorially. Solution. Draw a rectangle. Rectangle A, B, C, D. The diagonals are equal. Draw it properly. What is the given condition? You don't, so from solution you have to write down. Draw the figure. Given is A, B, C, D is a rectangle. It means opposite sides are equal. One angle is 90 degree. AC and BD are two diagonals. It has two diagonals, AC and BD. What to prove? To prove vectorially AC equal BD. But I have written here numerically. No perception, no plan. Proof. What proof? See, to prove it, we have to use the triangle law of vector addition. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC मा म यहाँ ड्रा गरिदिन्छु. यो ट्रायंगल ABC एउटा रफ आएर होला. अर्को ट्रायंगल BCD मा 90 डिग्री यो 90 डिग्री छ. Triangle in triangle ABC, what is vector AC? AB plus BC. Rule triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition, or squaring both sides. AC whole square equal modulus AB plus BC whole square. But here modulus is not also not necessary. Directly you can square, or AC whole square equal AB A square plus twice AB dot BC plus vector BC whole square. A plus B whole square. A square plus twice AB plus B square. The square of a vector is scalar. So AC square equal AB square plus 2 into 0 plus BC square. Why 0? Because AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC given, so the dot product is 0 because AB and BC are perpendicular to each other or orthogonal. Perpendicular को अर्को नाम हो orthogonal. What is the value of AC square? That is AB square plus BC square. Equation number 1. हामीले देखाउनु पर्ने AC र BD इक्वल भन्नाले AC को भ्यालु र BD को भ्यालु इक्वल देखाउने. Right side should be equal, so left side equal. Given condition ABCD is a rectangle. AC and BD are two diagonals. To prove AC is equal to BD, in triangle ABC, AC equal AB plus BC, triangle law of vector addition, squaring both sides and put AB dot BC equal 0. Now, equation 1, AC square equal AB square plus BC square. equation 2. A, B, C, D. Now, in triangle BCD, what is BD? BD equal vector BC plus vector CD. Reason, triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector. हेर्नु त, distance and displacement जस्तै B देखि C, C देखि D, BC CD भनेपछि C दोहोऱ्यो, CC दोहोऱ्यो भनेपछि BD equal BC plus CD. BD equal BC plus CD. This is distance, but BD is displacement, scalar quantity and vector quantity. Distance, displacement, shortest length, or BD whole square BC plus CD whole square. You can write reason squaring both sides. In AC also, AC मा पनि लेख्ने squaring गरेपछि squaring both sides भनेर लेख्ने, or BD square equal BC whole square twice BC vector dot CD vector plus vector CD whole square. A plus B whole square BD square. Vector square is scalar BC square plus 2 BC dot CD. BC, this angle is 90 degrees, so 0 plus CD whole square, or BD square equal BC square plus 2 into 0, 0, not necessary. CD square is BA square, because CD equal BA, equivalent like same direction, or BD square equal, you can write BC square plus AB square. Why? I write down the reason. Because BA square is minus AB square, minus minus plus. अर्थात् स्क्वायरिङ गरेपछि AB स्क्वायर को भ्यालु र BA स्क्वायर को भ्यालु इक्वल हुन्छ, बट विदाउट स्क्वायरिङ BA इक्वल माइनस AB whole square minus minus plus AB square. This is equation, or BD square equal AB square plus BC square. Equation number 2. From equation number 1, AC square को value AB square plus BC square. Equation number 2, BD square equal AB square plus BC square. Equating 1 and 2, what we get? We get AC square equal BD square, because their values are equal. जस्तो यस्तो हुन्छ, x equal a plus b, y equal पनि a plus b आयो, x को भ्यालु a plus b आयो, y को भ्यालु a plus b आयो. Therefore x equal y, because their values are equal. So AC square equal BD square, it means, or AC equal BD. What is the conclusion? You write down the conclusion. The conclusion is, hence the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. QED, quote is at David Stanley. इसको theorem actually हेरौँ. ABCD is a rectangle. Prove that AC is equal to BD. In triangle ABC, find the value of AC. AC equal AB plus BC. Squaring both sides, you get AC square equal AB square plus BC square. This is 90 degree. Dot product is 0. AC square को value AB square plus BC square. In the same way, in triangle BCD, BD square equal also BC square plus CD square, but CD square is BA square, BA square is AB square. Values are equal. Right side values are equal. AC square equal BD square, so AC equal BD proved. Theorem मा चाहिँ AC र BD equal prove गर्नुपर्ने rectangle given. यसको converse of the theorem भनेको, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, prove that the parallelogram is a rectangle. Rectangle हो भने diagonal equal हुन्छ. Theorem यदि डायगोनल इक्वल हुन्छ र प्यारालेलोग्राम हो भने त्यो रेक्ट्याङ्गल हुन्छ भनेर प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने। गिभन चाहिँ टु प्रुभ हुन्छ, टु प्रुभ चाहिँ गिभन हुन्छ। नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल सल्भ दिस क्वेसन एन्ड यु क्यान कम्पेयर इट, compare this theorem and tomorrow's theorem.